What is laser cutting? Laser cutting is a technology that uses a laser beam to cut materials such as metal, wood, acrylic, and more. The laser beam is focused to a very small point and can cut through the material with precision and accuracy. The laser cutting process works by first creating a digital design of the object that needs to be cut. This design is then uploaded to a computer program that controls the laser cutter. The material to be cut is then placed on the laser cutting bed, and the laser beam is directed to the starting point of the design. As the laser beam moves along the material, it melts or vaporizes the material, creating a cut. The laser cutter can also be programmed to make etchings or engravings on the material by varying the power and speed of the laser beam. One of the main advantages of laser cutting is its precision. The laser beam can cut through material with a thickness of up to several centimeters, with a tolerance of only a few thousandths of an inch. This makes it ideal for creating intricate designs and parts that require high accuracy and consistency. Another advantage of laser cutting is its speed. The laser beam can move quickly and make cuts in seconds, allowing for the production of large quantities of parts in a short amount of time. Laser cutting can be used in a wide range of industries, from manufacturing and automotive to art and jewelry. It's also an environmentally friendly process as it doesn't produce harmful fumes or waste products. In summary, laser cutting is a technology that uses a laser beam to cut materials with precision and accuracy. It works by melting or vaporizing the material and is controlled by a computer program. Laser cutting is fast, precise, and can be used in a variety of industries. Subscribe for more informative videos.